How's it, grade 11s? So today we're going to be solving trig equations again, working from slides 128 to 133, working from the trigonometry PowerPoint. Okay, so first example. It's asking us determine the general solution of the equation sine alpha equals root 3 over 2. Okay, so just remember, I'm not gonna write it down. I'm just gonna show you from yesterday's lesson. Your general solution formula for sine is this and this. So that is what I'm going to be using. Also, what I want you guys to notice here is this root 3 over 2 looks very suspicious, like a special angle type of thing. Okay, for example, you guys should know by now your special angles, that sine of 60 will give you root 3 over 2. So this is actually a special angle that gave us this. Okay, so I'm just going to write down our general solution. So it's alpha, and for sine we get those two, this one or this one. And it's going to be our angle, and we know that that's going to be 60 degrees plus K 360, and the other one is going to be or alpha is equal to 180 minus our angle plus K 360. So we get alpha is equal to 120 degrees plus K 360. Okay, and that's it. But I've forgotten one thing. Do not forget to write K as an element of the integers, please, grade 11s. Very important. Okay, and there's your solution. Now, we don't have to do what we did yesterday, choosing values for K, because they haven't given us a restriction on our angle. So we just leave it as a general solution. Okay. Example 2 is asking determine the general solution for the equation cos theta equals minus root 2 over 2. Okay, so just going to remind you what the cos general formula is. It's this: theta is equal to plus or minus cos inverse plus K 360. Now, I just want you guys to notice here as well, that also looks very similar to something that we've used before, and that is the special angle for 45 degrees. Okay, and I can show you that here. Okay, so I'm not interested in the sine. I just want to show you guys that cos of 45 will give you root 2 over 2, and that's what that is. Okay, now because we've got this negative over here, we know that our angle is going to be a negative 45. Okay, now here's the thing with cos. If you're getting so I just want to write here, so I'm just going to call it RA for reference angle is equal to 45 degrees. That's what we get from this. Okay, now because it's negative, what we have to do is we have to say that we're going to say 180 minus the 45, and we get 135. That is the angle that we are going to use in our general formula. And I can just show you that by doing this. Shift cos negative root 2 over 2, and you will get the 135. So in actual fact, you can just do that on your calculator and you can get that anyway. All right, you don't have to worry about that. So let's put it into our general formula, and we get theta is equal to plus or minus 135 plus K 360, and then K is an element of the integers. And there's your solution. Okay, so this over here was just explanation. You don't really have to do that. Just go shift cos that number there, and you'll get your 135. Okay. Last example, grade 11s. So example 3. Determine the general solution for the equation tan beta is equal to minus 1 over root 3. Okay, So again, this looks very similar to like a special angle type of thing, okay? And I just want to show you here, tan of 30, and we're getting, okay, that is root 3 over 3, guys. So what I want you guys to do is just to remember what the general solution for tan is. It's theta is equal to shift tan inverse k 180. So let's do that. We're going to go shift tan minus 1 over root 3. Sorry. And we get minus 30. So beta is equal to minus 30 plus k 180. Remember, the period for tan is 180, and then k is an element of the integers. And there is our solution. All right, grade 11s, that is it. Thank you very much.